Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is stock detail. If we want to stock detail in any company, then we can by using the via finance library, or we know the stock detail about any company. So first you will have to install this library. I have already installed. So it give the requirements. The next one is import the library. Import Y finance as uh, YF is a alias. I have created alias. Import the Y finance. So it's also working. Then is the variable name. You can give anything. Is a com. I have taken com is a company, then equal sign, then YF dot ticker, where I pass the Apple company name AAPL. So it's working. Now I want to see the history of 2 months in Apple company. What is the stock detail of the Apple company in 2 months? So stock detail, this is the variable where I pass the com dot history is a inbuilt function, then period where I give the 2 months, and then print the stock detail. So you can see that it gives the all 2 month detail. Okay, open, when it open, high, low and close. Same thing is the next. I have take the variable com, then where I pass the yf dot triggers. That time I am using that as I am trigger. If we pass one company, that we use the ticker, and more than one, that we use the as tickers. Then Microsoft, Apple and Google. So it's working. Next I want one by one the different information. So Microsoft, I want the information about the Microsoft company. So is a variable dot tickers. Then I pass the MSFT. It is a name of the Microsoft company dot info. It you can pass it the capital letter. So it's give the all Microsoft companies information. State, zip number, country, address, city, phone number, website, industry. Okay, this is the information of the Microsoft. Next, I want that the Apple company history for 1 month. So the com dot triggers, where I pass the AAAPL capital letter dot history, and period I have given 1 month. So it's give the 1 month history of the Apple. Is a date, open, high, low, close, volume, divided, and stock is. Now the next is the com dot triggers, where I pass the Google Z double O Z dot action. It show the Google is a date, dividend, and stock split. The next one is the fetch the up-to-date stock price. It show the all three company stock price. So you can see the triggers Apple, Google and Microsoft. Then price ticket, all the Google, Microsoft, Apple. There are one row and 21 columns. It also show the period 24, 26 for current is the current date, 26 4 24. It show the all three companies current stock price. This is the Google, and this is the last Microsoft. The next is we I want to see the by using the visualization how the stock prices look by the graph. So where I import the matplotlib dot pyplot plot as a plt is a method. Then data is a variable name where yf module name alias name sorry dot download where I pass the apple. I want to see the apple company where I give the starting date of the apple company is I want to see the stock price in 12 December 1st December 12 to 2023 to and 4th April 1st April sorry 1st April 2024. Then data dot close dot plt and then give the title name and plt dot show. So it should look like this. The Apple company stock it is start to December 12 2023 to up to 1st April 2024. So it gives the graph of the Apple company. So this is the program where we can use the module Y Finance. So you can check out the any company stock detail. Thank